Hi, my name is Andrea, and I've been a student with James studying for the MCAT for the last 7 months. I'm a non-traditional student, as in I did my Bachelor of Nursing for 4 years, and then I've been working as a nurse for the last 3 years. I chose to do medicine to increase my scope of practice as well to increase my autonomy working in the field of medicine. I have been studying for the MCAT for the last approximately 2 years, and I have gotten lots of help over the last 2 years. I first started out with the Princeton Review online course, then I moved into getting a tutor through Varsity Tutors, a private tutor, and then I've gotten 6 other private tutors studying for the MCAT. I can honestly say that James has been by far the best tutor out of all of those people. He is so sincere, he's so honest, he's so encouraging, and he is so knowledgeable in all different aspects of the MCAT. I would highly recommend James as a tutor, and I'm kind of going to talk about the 4 reasons that I would recommend him. So the first reason that I would recommend James as a tutor is that he has the best study plan. James will literally hold your hand the entire way studying for the MCAT. He will assign you homework, it will be like a course, and he will tell you what to do of each day of each month going up to your MCAT. You start out going through each of the different sections of the MCAT, and then you end up doing full lengths at the end. Another great thing about his program is his CARs. He has the best strategy for CARs, and my score drastically increased when I started using his plan for CARs. So the second reason that I would recommend James as a tutor is his schedule flexibility. Working as a nurse, I was working crazy day-night 12-hour shifts, and he was so accommodating with my schedule. We even had tutor sessions in the middle of the night, and he was able to just be so flexible with my schedule. So the third reason that I would recommend James as an MCAT tutor is his teaching style. James has a very, very tough teaching style. He will never give you the answer to anything. He always wants you to come up with the answer yourself. He wants to teach you that correct thought process of, and that correct train of thought of getting to the correct answer. And that is such an important skill for learning for the MCAT. So the fourth reason that I would recommend James as an MCAT tutor is his personality. He is the most sincere, down-to-earth person I've ever worked with. He is always so encouraging of any progress that you've made on the MCAT and always just is your cheerleader going forward for studying for the MCAT. He will take as long as needed to explain a concept to you. If you're not getting it, he will spend multiple sessions on it and is so patient with you trying to learn that concept. And he is very, very personable, will always ask how you're doing, and is just an amazing person to have as a tutor. So I would highly recommend getting James as your MCAT tutor for those 4 reasons. He has the most amazing study plan, the best schedule flexibility, he has the most amazing teaching style, and the greatest personality. I think James is the most amazing tutor, and you should definitely get him as your MCAT tutor.